What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to work Cardano, guys. Go over a little bit of news as well as some price analysis. So we're sitting at $1.21. We're up about 5% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 40.6 billion, 24-hour volume 1.38 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's get into this news here, guys. So Cardano achieves new milestone as total transaction count crosses $30 million mark. So Cardano, one of the most promising ecosystems within the crypto community, continues to make developments. This is from Crypto. So on the 2nd of February, Input Output Hong Kong, the research and development company behind the Cardano blockchain, announced the increase in the network's block size by 11%. This would see the total block size grow from the current 72 kilobytes to 80 kilobytes, thereby allowing Cardano's blocks to carry more transactions. According to the data by Google Data Studio, the Cardano blockchain surpassed the $30 million mark in transaction numbers. As of February 8, 2021, the total Cardano transactions stood at 30.4 million. There was an addition of over 4 million transactions since January 10, 2022, as seen in the graph below. So this is awesome, guys. More and more people are using the Cardano blockchain. Consider this: since the start of February, Cardano incorporated 894,000 transactions in just 8 days alone. And apart from this, the number of Plutus-based smart contracts crossed the $1,000 mark on January 22nd. Per update, the Plutus script memory unit per transaction would go from 12.5 million to 14 million. In 2022 alone, the number of Cardano wallets surged over 10%. Strong level of support at $1, guys, that we're going over, rising from 266 million on 2,666,000 on January 1st to over 3 million, guys, on February 7th, a total gain of 349,000. The growth translated to an addition of 9,184 wallets. Absolutely incredible, guys. For our friend ADA. People don't like when I call it ADA, but I really don't care. All right, guys, so we've broken out of this symmetrical triangle that we've been talking about. We met the target, as well as we broke out of our descending broadening wedge. So as of right now, we are in a technical target to about $1.60. We had 3 entries, and right now we're just coming up on our break even at $1.20. We are on the 4-hour time frame. Just seeing a little bit of consolidation holding the EMAs. Just watch the money flow, guys. We did create a higher high while creating a lower high in the money flow, and that can be an indicator of either some pullback or some consolidation. If we look on the 1-hour time frame, you can see here we came right back down to the bottom section. Nice little bounce. So let's look at ADA on the daily chart, guys. We have this descending broadening wedge here, and we bounced perfectly off that level of support. We were very low down on the money flow right here. Consolidation, we talked about that strong level of support at $1. And we've seen a beautiful bounce, guys. Hopefully what we see here on the weekly, this is the weekly time frame. So hopefully what we see here on the weekly is the bullish cross of the MACD over the signal line, and that would be a massive signal as a pump as well. Just watch the EMAs could definitely act as resistance. But let's look at the daily time frame. Yeah, okay, so here we are on the daily, guys. So we talked about that beautiful strong level support at $1. We created a beautiful bullish divergence, lower low, higher low on the money flow index here, as well as on the RSI, guys, and we're just about to print the bullish cross on the MACD. So if we can get back above the 55, you can see we're back above the 20 EMA. We get back above the 55, have the bullish cross just as we did right here back in August, guys, and we can see a beautiful pump back to the upside. Do watch 164. I pulled my Fibonacci here from this swing high down to our swing low, and you can see we're hitting resistance on the 0.5. A lot of resistance in this area, guys, coming in at about $1.20. So if we can break above it, get back above the 55, then we have a higher likelihood to come back up to $1.64. We break the golden ratio, and the 1.618, which is coming in at about $2.36 for Cardano, and lines up with a level of resistance. So we will give some future price targets. If we reverse the trend, guys, always wait for your confirmation. What you want to see is we get back above the EMAs as well as the golden ratio, and then we'd have more confluence to the fact that we're going to see a breakout back to the upside, guys. So what we can do, if we were to see our next impulsive wave to the upside, of course we could go through a dead cat bounce scenario. But if we come up and we get above about $1.93, the golden ratio here, then you are in a technical target to the 1.618, which is coming in at about $6.54 for ADA. All right, guys, so it's looking good. You know, we're back above the EMAs on the 4-hour. We're trying to get back above the 55 on the daily. We just have to wait for Bitcoin to make its move. The bearish scenario, guys, as we come down, we create a double bottom possibility here, but I don't think it's the likely scenario. But of course, it is a possibility, but I just don't think it's more probable. All right, guys, so that's basically it for ADA. Just a little update here. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns as well as the DCA charts for our live trades on the channel, and daily buy and take profit zones if you want a dollar cost average into your altcoins based off support and resistance Fibonacci, guys. So if you're looking for areas to buy in or take profits, just for reference, guys, it's not financial advice. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.